Hello everyone and welcome back to Unique Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful bracelet. And also this video will be an update for my already existing video for this bracelet, but this time I want to show you this bracelet in more details and also with better quality. So for today's bracelet, I will be using macrame polyester cord, but you can use DK yarn as well. And I really recommend to use a cotton yarn for the bracelet if you have very sensitive skin. And this cord is 2 millimeters cord, so it's very nice and thin, which I really like for the bracelet. But this pattern can be used for the handles, for the belts, for the headbands, and many different projects. So if you use thicker yarn, of course use bigger hook and it will give you completely different look. So try to experiment and you will see. But for today's video, I will be making bracelet. So I will be using 3 millimeters hook. Also, you will need a tape measure and a pair of scissors. So today we are creating a bracelet, and before we start, we are going to leave a long yarn end, and this yarn end for the bracelet need to be about 80 centimeters. So measure 80 centimeters. And if you want to use this pattern for the headband, I recommend to use 3 meters long yarn end, and then you will do your pattern for the headband from ear all the way around to ear. So I call it from ear to ear, and then you will add the chain on the other side. So for the bracelets, you will leave 80 centimeters. For the headband, you will leave 3 meters long yarn end. So once you have your long yarn end, we can start the pattern. So hold your cord end or yarn end like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. And remember, this is your long yarn end, so we need to go on the side so it's not in the way, and we are working on this yarn. So once we have our slip knot, we are going to chain 3. So yarn over and pull through the loop you had on your hook. So that's 1, 2, and 3, like so. Next, you are going to work single crochet into this middle stitch right here. So go under this one like so, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and finish your single crochet like so. And you will do 1 more single crochet into this very first chain or stitch. Insert, yarn over, bring it up, yarn over and pull through like so. Now you are going to turn your work like this. So 1 more time, like so. And now you can clearly see you have 1 stitch here, 1 stitch here, and then you have this side loop, this vertical loop, which is right here. Let me just show you with my yarn needle. So we have stitch here, and this vertical loop here. As you can see, it's very small, and we'll be working under this loop. So now once you turned your work, you are going to work single crochet into this stitch right here, this one. So no into this one, but into this one right here, and you will work single crochet. So now insert your hook like so, and you can clearly see you have front and back loop, and work your single crochet. Like so. And now you got this vertical loop here, and you are going to work under this vertical loop. Insert. If it's a little bit tricky, not to worry, you can use your finger to move the yarn a little bit, like so. Yarn over, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and finish your single crochet. Now you are going to turn your work again. So once you turn your work again, do not work into this one. You will work into this stitch here. So again, ignore this stitch and work into this one right here. And now, from now on, you will be repeating this. You will work into this one here, and then you will have 2 vertical loops on the side. So we have this one, and then we have one more. So from now on, you will always have 2 vertical loops on the side, like so. But we will only work single crochet here, and then we will work single crochet under this first vertical loop. So we will ignore this little one on the side. So now you are going to work single crochet like so, yarn over, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through like so, make it nice and tight. And now you will work under this first vertical loop. Squeeze your hook. Also you can move with your finger like so, and work single crochet. Like this. Turn your work and repeat. Single crochet into this stitch, never into this one. So work single crochet, and again you will have these 2 vertical loops, but you already know we are only going to work the one which is closer to you. So we're only going to work under this one, and we will ignore this one on the side. So insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, and finish your single crochet. And again, turn your work into this stitch right here, work into this one here, like so. And under this vertical loop here, which is closer to your single crochet, and you can also help yourself with the fingers like this to pop this loop on your hook, because you work nice and tight and it can be a little bit tricky sometimes. So you will continue like so for as many rounds as you need. And once you are happy with your length, I show you how to finish your bracelet. And once you are happy with the length, depends on what you're working for. So for me, this will be a bracelet. And you will simply just check it like this. And I think this is enough for me. You can also go longer until these ends meet each other. It's up to you. Also for the headband, I like to work from ear all the way around the head, from ear to ear, I like to call it. So now, once you are happy with the length, I'll show you what to do next. So once you are happy, you are going to turn your work like so, and you are going to work single crochet again into this middle stitch. Like so, but you will not work into this vertical loop anymore. So now you are right in the middle, and from now on you will just chain a very nice and tight chain. So for the length you need, so try to do it as tight as possible. And you will continue for as long as you need. So for me, for example, on this bracelet, I may go a little bit longer so I can tie comfortably. And it's up to you. If you like this and these chains to be really long, then go ahead and chain a longer chain. But for me, it's just enough when I tie, and I don't want these chains to be too long. So I will just stop here. So this side, it's easy. Now, on this side, where we left our long 80 centimeters yarn end, we don't need to attach it, so we simply going to insert the hook somewhere in the middle of your bracelet like this. And now we're going to yarn over and bring this long yarn end through like so, yarn over and chain. Now you are nicely in the middle, as you can see, and you will simply do the same. You will chain a long chain for as long as you need. And for my bracelet, I already calculated it, so I know I have 80 centimeters, enough for my chain on this side. For the headband, I calculated 3 meters, and for the bracelet, 80 centimeters. That should be enough. But if you are not sure, you will simply chain your chain, then you rip it apart and measure the length. So that's how you know if it's going to be long enough for what you're making. Okie I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to cut my cord because I am going to reuse it for a different tutorial. So that's what we have. So for the ends, if you like, you can add the bead and then do the knot so the bead won't slide away. Or you can simply just fasten off and leave the knot on one side and on the other side. You can finish it the way you like or prefer. So this is my bracelet, and I think it's looking amazing with this cord. But if you are sensitive to polyester, as this one is polyester, of course you can use cotton yarn, which is the best for your skin because it's a natural fiber. And also I will leave the card in this right top corner, so you can check my old video, because in that old video I've done it with the cotton yarn, so you may like that video more. So, but I thought I will make one more video for this bracelet because it's very, very popular on my channel, and I wanted to make this video with a better quality. And this is it. This is our beautiful bracelet. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs. For more ideas from me, Sylvia, please don't forget to find me on social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And also don't forget to hit that notification button and that small bell as well, so you get notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching.